Hey everybody, I'm Michael. Dion's over that way. This is Miss FITZ'S Adventures. See? We got some rain coming, or it's been coming. Actually, there is a little bit of hail mixed in with this. Temperature right now probably is 46 maybe, but I can feel the stinging on my face. Hold on, I'll wipe it in. Okay. You there?
I'm here.
Yeah. So this is Shipwreck Beach, if you're wondering. Keep wiping it off. Behind me. And like I said, it's cold. The wind's blowing really pretty good. And
All the sand.
yeah, all this sand right here is from yesterday. They had neat tide plus a king tide and all that good stuff, and it was windy and rainy, and it just kind of filled up here. Yep, and moved it all the way over there. A lot of people up there with four-wheel drives. Just a bit cold. Yep. Get a little closer and check it out. Oh, the whole beach has changed. Some wood up here. But as you can see way out here, there's a whole bunch of rain coming. So everything is coming this way. So yeah, look at the foam blowing. Pretty, huh? Well, I think that what's going to happen now is we're both going to go inside because it's really super cold and my hands are just a little bit freezing. Oh gosh, yes. All right, guys, we had to come to the beach today. My idea was to come out here and actually try to fly the drone because it said that it was going to be kind of nicer around 3 o'clock, so we waited all day. And yeah, well, it's a little nicer, but it's too windy and obviously a little too cold to be out here in just a sweater, so or a hoodie. I got to get a new jacket. My jacket that I thought we had doesn't have a zipper anymore. Don't remember what happened there. All right, guys, it's raining again. I'm gonna put the camera up. We'll get into the car. We'll see you in a few minutes. Oh yeah, it's actually hail. Say bye, Grace.
Bye, Grace.
Bye. So we kind of hung around in the truck for a few minutes with Max, and he said, "I'm cold."
Yeah.
Pick him up. Pick him up. Okay. One more, two, let's start over. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. So we kind of hung out in the car with Max for a few minutes, nice and warm. Actually, it's 37 degrees right now with the wind chill. It's 42, and it's dropping. I'm going to try to get the sunset, but who knows if we are or not. But yeah, this is pretty damn cold. Max has been wanting to go out, huh? You want to go back in the car? All right, guys. Hopefully this little sunset I got is going to be pretty. We're going to go back to the camper in just a few minutes and get warmed up. Maybe some hot chocolate. Bye, guys. All right, guys, so this is actually the next day. It was really cold at the beach last night, and it's still raining out today, so we decided that we need to fix a light. Now, we bought a light from this company here, and we put it in over this sink because one reason, because it went out. This isn't on very good. We're gonna have to fix that. So we got this one up, and it looks pretty good. It works really well. It has two sides to it, so we can turn that one off or turn this one off, and it lights up better than these up here, up on top up here. Yep, this is our messy camper. I got to take everything down from our storage area up above where the bunk is. Redo all these wires. I'm gonna clean all this up. We're gonna build a cabinet over here, move the table down this way, and my chair, probably get rid of this bench seat and put a chair in, because I sit here probably, I don't know, 12 hours at a time editing videos on the computer, on this laptop. As you can see, what we've been watching here, some Misfits Ventures. Here's a little artwork from my daughter. She knows I like Pink Floyd, so she drew this and then painted it. And before I left, she gave it to us for the camper.
Yep.
So, okay, guys. Hey, say hello to Max.
Say hi, Max.
Say what's going on.
Daddy got the camera out. I got excited.
Did you think we're going to go someplace? No, I can get the camera out without going someplace. Hey, Max. Did you sleep well last night? You slept on our pillows right next to us? You want a cookie? Good cookies. You just had a dental treat one. Alright, guys. Let's get up, and we're going to do this light here. She just turned it off for us so we can see. So we're going to take this lens off. Whew, that's fine. Alright, so the lens is there. It has a couple screws on it that we need to get. Alright, so we got this down, and hopefully we can get to the wires here, right up here. Hopefully they'll let us take you out. So, there, we got these down. They got little ties on them. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip them, and in the box comes with new what do you call these, little caps on them, and we just got to strip the wires now. So that's pretty much it, and then we'll put it back up. So it does have different places that you can actually mount this. So it gives you 6 different screw holes. So when we put it up, it's going to be up about like this. It's going to be much bigger than the other one. You can see, where's the other one? Yeah, so that's the old one. That would be one of these, and it doesn't even have that many lights in that one. And then this is the new one. So it's going to give us a whole lot more light. So all we got to do now is connect these wires up to here and here, and then put the nuts on them. Here. All right. So what we did was we went ahead and put these on. I'm going to put some tape on each one of them before we put it up. It came with 4 screws. So we're going to put the screws probably in the furthest out, or I'm not sure yet. The other one came with only 2 screws. We thought it was 4 screws, but it's only 2 that I took out. So we might put those 2 in caddy corner here, and then put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here that came with it. Unless there's 6 here, and maybe there is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we are going to go ahead and put this together with the 6 screws that it came with. Alright, so we got it up there. Pretty friggin' bright. Wow, that's a lot brighter than it was before. I think we'll do one more. What do you think? So we leave those on, right? And then we turn it off if that's right there.
And if it's too bright, I just turn one off.
That sounds good too. All right, so I think we're gonna go ahead and do this one over here next. So yeah, let's do that one next. So all right guys, we just got through putting them both up. So here's the other one, the other side of the TV set. Easier for her to reach, it's down a little further too. Oops, let me put it up there. So this is the one that we just now put up. It works really super bright. And that's the only way to turn that one on. It doesn't have a switch. So, yep. This is my setup for editing all those videos that I've done. Got hard drives after hard drives of content that we've done. So, what do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, you like it? You look better in it. It's brighter.
It's brighter.
Do you like it too? Do you like it? Do you like the new light?
No.
No. Well, tell us about it. You don't like the light? You don't like the camera? Alright, let me sit down. Well, that was not good. I'm getting my ears cleaned out. I love you too. So all right guys, we are wrapping this up. We just wanted to show you how to put on the lights up above here and over there and over the sink. So we got a set of those. I think they were what, about $35. I'll put a link below. We got them on Amazon, and they were easy to put up, easy to wire, and they're a whole lot brighter than the ones that came in the camper. So now we can actually see, and yeah, you can see too. You like that? All right guys, so you can write us at msfitzadventures@gmail.com, or you see us on Facebook or Instagram, and watch us next week on a brand new video. Yeah, we'll do another video. Right now we're being off for the next, we work today, we work tomorrow, and then we don't know when we work. So the COVID virus is getting bad up here and everywhere else in the United States, so we might be shut down, but people are kind of heeding the warning and canceling their reservations to the park. Yeah. Which for us, that's not good, but for the COVID virus, that is good, so we'll see what happens. Might need some support here, guys, I don't know. So you can write us at msfitz'sadventures@gmail.com, or you can see us on Facebook or Instagram. And are you being quiet now? He wants to be petted. If I'm sitting next to him, he has to be petted. All right, guys, we'll see you next week. Guys, take care of yourselves. Be safe.